You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. There are more videos you'll want to listen to and learn from. Leverage. Alright, there are slightly different pronunciations for the first syllable. You can either say li or le. So either an e sound or a schwa sound, an sound. Leverage, leverage, or leverage. Alright, now leverage, leverage, and you can sort of skip the v syllable. Leverage, leverage. Stress on the first syllable. American English, definitely skip the v, and it's a vri. Leverage. Leverage is the American pronunciation. So, to summarize, British English pronunciation is more as leverage, while the Americans say it more as leverage. Can you hear the difference? How do you pronounce it? Was this any useful? Let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.